We are sailing into Dover, Nova Scotia. It's another quaint fishing village with no amenities and just houses. There is a post office and the fire department. We enjoyed walking the trails in Black Duck Cove Park, which was walking distance from the village. And this was the biggest surprise of all. Do you want to be on YouTube?
Came out through there after we went through the passage through here and ended up to
Yeah, very big stones. This plant is not an orchid, but prominent in the bogs of Nova Scotia between June and mid-July are the large flower of the northern pitcher plant. These plants trap insects in their pitcher-like leaves and digest them to obtain nutrients that are otherwise very sparse in bogs. Getting off this morning from Dover.
heading to as far as we can get.
Literally.
We've got a number of anchorages picked out that we can head into, but we're going to see how it goes. If we're getting some good distance, we'll just keep on going.
And we're getting an offshore breeze today, so.
Yeah, and in a favorable direction, so.
Yeah.
Sailing south, downwind, got a northerly wind today. See how far we can get.
Are we doing 2 knots, 3?
About 3 most of the time.
So what do you think of the sail so far now, Mark?
Going good. Nice conditions out here.
Offshore breeze, lovely.
Yeah, broad reach.
think we've got 2 sailboats behind us, so we'll see if we can keep ahead of them. Well, we're making really good progress today. Right now we're going 6.4 knots. And we are just passing Tora Bay, which is a big bay. Pretty pleasant and pretty relaxed today. Sailboat behind us is gaining on us a little bit, but he's motor now, no sails up.
Catch that catch that they've been trying to catch all day.
Maybe. We are heading to Harbour Island, and we're going to anchor behind it. As far as we know, we'll just be here one night and carrying on tomorrow. That is the plan. Mark's got his hat on and sweater. Summer is fading.
Yeah, hopefully we get some warm weather for a while yet.
Well, it is a little chilly today. Actually, it's the coolest evening I've felt in months.
Yep. Oh, we're just about ready to get underway here. We are going to be leaving Harbour Island here near Isaac's Harbour, and we'll see how far we get today. There's a number of different anchorages we could pick from, and we'll see how much wind we get. Nice little breeze going right now.
Well, looks like we're moving along very nicely. I'm just down here making tea. This is where we are. On the map. There's a lot less swell today, but we've had an offshore breeze. Well, all day yesterday it was offshore, and then today, so it's a little even flatter today. Oh, you're getting close, honey. It's a big buoy. So far this morning, we checked the wind and it said about 10, gusting to 10 right now. But I'm not sure how accurate our wind thing is. It seems to be, but it's just that we're, going along at 6 knots and quite going really well.
Castor Rock over there to port.
Castor Rock.
Actually, we're hitting into the 7s yesterday.
Yeah.
And we actually hit 8.1 knots at one point. But there's less swell today.
Yeah, a lot less swell.
It's a smoother ride today for sure.
Yeah.
This northerly is knocking swell down. It's a nice ride.
We would like to welcome our first patron, Mark. Thank you for your contribution and commitment. We would like to keep producing videos for anyone to watch. If you ever paid to go to a movie or a concert, then you've paid to support that sort of content. Perhaps you'd consider supporting this content.